Hello everyone, it's Maria Russell here with you today, and I am back with a different type of video. I am going to share with you a review of the VONT Eclipse desk lamp, also the VONT 24 flameless tea lights. These items were sent to me for review, and I will give you my honest opinion about what I think about them. So the first thing that I am going to show you is the opening of the box of the VONT Eclipse desk lamp. And this is the power cord. And what's nice about this is the power cord actually works in the United States and overseas. The input is 100 to 240 volts and 50 to 60 hertz. So you can use this in the States, Canada, and overseas. So I will be putting together this lamp and then test it out for a few days to see what I think about it. I will also be testing out these 24 flameless tea light candles. Day one of my review of the desk lamp. I actually have the lamp on my craft table here, and it was so easy to put together, and then all you have to do is plug it in. So this is day one. I have it right now on my desk, and it's on the reading mode, which I really like because it shines down on my craft table here. I love that it's so sturdy. This base is actually very heavy. I'm going to be working on my projects today, only using this lamp, and then I will let you guys know how I feel about this. I like that there are several settings of the lights, and you can increase the intensity of the light or you can decrease it. I apologize for my voice as I am a little under the weather at the moment, but I wanted to get this review out. I have been using it for a few days now, and I was using it at night to create my projects. I just wanted to say that I am so impressed with this lamp. First of all, it has a few settings to do this on an angle so that you guys will be able to see. The first one is reading, the second one is study. The third one is relax, and the fourth one is sleep. And this is the on and off button switch. And then you can also put it on the timer for about an hour. But the good thing about this is it has like 5 adjustments of intensity of the light, so that if you want it brighter, you can actually adjust it to make it brighter. And I am so impressed. This is the card that I made the other day. And I did this at night, and I ink blended the background. I used this LED light, and it was shining through my desk like this, and I was working on my card, and I ink blended this panel with Distress Oxide inks. I actually used the reading so that it didn't strain my eyes, since I was working at night. So I used the reading light, but then I had it on the highest intensity so that it was bright. It didn't strain my eyes. I wasn't too tired by the time I was done ink blending this, and I was able to finish my card. So overall, I am really impressed about this lamp, and you can use it for a different purpose while you're working on your projects, while you're reading a book, or while you are relaxing. You wanted the lighting to be on relax. It kind of changed into this relax mode. This one is the study, so it's a little white, it's bright white. And this one is the reading, and then this is back to relax. I am really happy with this lamp. I normally don't do reviews. I normally don't recommend things unless I believe in it, and this lamp is 5 stars. So you can also fold it in like this, like so, and then you can store it on the side. So I was going to do a separate review for the VONT 24 flameless tea light candles. Initially, I was going to separate them from this video, but then I thought since they are both VONT products, then I should also let you know about my opinion about these 24 flameless tea light candles. It already comes with a battery, so you don't even have to get a battery for it. This is so much different than the dollar store tea lights you can get because they are high quality. First of all, the ones that you get from the dollar store, they're very flimsy, but this one, right off the bat, they are high quality as well. And I'm going to turn off the light so that you guys can see. It flickers and it's beautiful and it's high quality. They are amazing and I love them. So that is my honest review of the VONT Eclipse desk lamp as well as the VONT LED 24 flameless Tealight candles. I highly recommend both products. They are good quality and I've tested them out for a few days and I really love them. If you guys are interested to order these products, they are available at Amazon and I will be providing the link in the description box below. They are also generous enough to offer my viewers 10% off your order, and that discount code will also be included in the description box. Thank you, VONT, for sending me the products. Thank you all for joining me today. Have an amazing day. Happy crafting!